Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to make a soap mockup in Photoshop. Let's start. First select the layer. Then select Quick Selection tool. And select the bottle body. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy. Rename it Bottle. Duplicate the layer once again. And rename it Highlight. Select Move tool, and go to the second image. Then click and drag it to the first image. Press Ctrl T, and adjust the size and position. Right-click, and choose Warp. Adjust it according to the soap bottle. And press Enter to done. Bring down the layer. Hide this phone now, and change the mode to multiply. Right-click on this layer, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now select this layer, unhide, and change the mode to Soft Light. Now select these layers by holding Shift, and group them. And this is done. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.